Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1973 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the 302 Ford here. You have the double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, heavy duty aluminum water pump, brand new balancer, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter installed, all the fittings, oil pressure extension installed. The aluminum cylinder heads are on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, proper oil pan for the 73 Mustang, front sump oil pan, brass freeze plugs installed, engine block is painted the red, the Ford Racing red valve covers with the Edelbrock pleated air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, carburetors on there, throttle return spring and bracket and throttle cable ball, manifold vacuum fitting installed, Razy hookups, Ford Racing made in USA billet steel flywheel, proper balance and tooth count for the 302 Ford here, pilot bearings installed. You have the red spark plug wires with all the wire markers on there, heavy duty Russell PCV ventilation hose, PCV valves installed, electric choke wire, chrome fuel line up to the carburetor, chrome dipstick and tube, proper thermostat housing for the 73 Mustang, thermostats installed. This is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete, ready to go, drop-in ready. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in stand, all the gauge readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, timing set, carburetor fully adjusted. So this is the way you get it again. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.